Hello everybody, my name is Russell Provenchal, but all my friends call me Russ. And as a friend, I would like to show you the Painting Plus South Florida experience. At Painting Plus South Florida, we are not just painters, we are artists who specialize in residential and commercial projects. And as artists, we start all our jobs by cleaning and properly preparing our palettes. This includes dealing with any mold or mildew, pressure washing, caulking windows and doors, and filling all cracks. At Painting Plus South Florida, we also do specialty work, like Venetian plastering, design ceilings or wall patterns, and other design requests. Our experience includes scenic painting for movies and TV, like Rock of Ages starring Tom Cruise, and Magic City from the Stars Network. So for your next painting or renovation project, call us first and get more for your money at Painting Plus South Florida. That's www.paintingplussouthflorida.com.